So, hi everyone. As Jennifer has already introduced me, I'm the course convener for second and third year pathology courses offered to science undergraduates at the University of New South Wales. And I'm not on my own today. I've got Professor Julian Cox in the audience, who is the Associate Dean, Science Education, and also Professor Jailin Yang, who is a course convener for a second, more specialist third year course in pathology. So today we thought we'd give you a bit of a snapshot of what we've been doing with ePortfolio. I won't get into much detail, only just to set the scene for my students in terms of the way we've used ePortfolio. It's very organic, experimental. Okay, so what we've done is actually tell the students, here's the stuff, just go and do it. However, along with that stuff, we've asked the students to report back on their skills building through assessment tasks. So very specified initial use of the ePortfolio, and then scoping out across courses potentially, and then developing those lifelong skills. So, as the boys just mentioned, some of them are very good at using computers. I'm pretty crap at it, actually. But what I probably am best at is talking about process. And this is my course, and it's on Moodle. I'm very happy because I was actually able to draw some sort of molecule there and talk about all the processes that we'll learn about. And it's a bit different to what you guys have seen through Blackboard, but we also have a bit of a go-to page. We use Mahara through Moodle, and we've got a bit of workshopping on how to use it, and then a frequently asked questions site. But I thought I'd get into this site because I'll access Mahara in the way we do it. Give you a bit of a snapshot. The key reason being is that one of our students here, Gabriella, has moved on to do other things, and she needs to access her portfolio through me. And Ronnie has continued with his studies, but I'll let them talk about that. I'll start with Ronnie. Oops. Let's hope it works. Oh yes, I like it. Okay, Ronnie. So I'll introduce Ronnie. Just to set the scene a little bit, Ronnie was the first cohort of students that we introduced this to in third year. We do have a program-wide approach that Julian and Jailin are also, of course, involved in, because Julian teaches the big 400-student cohort in first year, and then second year I get them at 280, and then in our specialist pathology courses we have something like anywhere from 60 to 90 students. So different size student groups. And Ronnie was the first person, or one of the first people to do this. What I must say at this point, we found when we were reviewing some of these reflections, we were very happy to see some reflection on the type of practical that Ronnie ended up doing his honours on, which was cardiovascular disease. So that showed us the connection of him wanting to really pursue that area of study further and get deeper. And it was just exciting to see that evolve.